My name is Gennaro, and I'm the Chief Medical Technology Officer for a company called Between MD. And I started out years ago with biomedical engineering and clinical medicine and clinical research. I went on a little bit of a sidetrack for a little bit doing smart homes, IoT, networks, and connectivity, and then came back to computer science, data science, and ultimately back to the medical devices again. The difficulty that I had was explaining to people what that middle ground was. I got a lot of responses saying it's been 17 years since you did medicine and technology. And I felt that I had been in technology all along, but it was really hard to convey that to the employers and to get through the fancy new AI algorithms that screen your resumes. And it was something I really needed help with, how to take my past, my middle, and my future to be able to make a good presentation. It gave me a little bit of direction. It's helped me to focus in my mind which direction I'm going, what my long-term goals are. I have received quite a few job offers in the executive area, as well as engineering and the medical field. I've also picked up a couple of consulting jobs on the side based on different experiences that I've had in the past. So it has definitely brought an inflow of new networking I've been able to do, and it's really helped me to see how much more time I need to start spending on social media. You guys have really given me a little direction and really helped take me and point me and say, you need to start going this way. For me, like I said, I was having a tough time, and you realized it probably when you were asking me the questions. Where do you see yourself in 5 or 10 years? What exactly is it that you're doing? And I was doing so many things, and my career had just advanced so rapidly during the COVID period. In a 2-year period, all of a sudden becoming a C-suite executive and not knowing exactly which way I wanted to head. And to be honest, I hadn't put much thought into it. You guys, when I spoke with you, you actually made me sit down and start to look at some of those questions and to get an idea of which way I had to go. And it really helped me to guide and fine tune myself. What I found is I'm a bit scatterbrained. When I have a lot of things going on, I waste a lot of energy going in different directions. After speaking with you and having a chance to look at the resume and seeing how you directed it and telling me that you need to look at yourself as the C-suite executive, the other experience is important, but this is where you are now and you need to go from there. And taking that approach and being able to move from there has really helped me solidify my goals and where I'd like to be in the future. A lot of Googling, to be honest. But one of the things that really drew me to you was the one-on-one coaching and the one-on-one interviews we had to help me really solidify the resume and the extra time that you put in helping to guide me and to really pull the correct answers out of me. Say that, for me, one of the most important things was having a chance to work with someone personally, someone that would listen and give me input and help direct me and take their experience and use that to guide me. And it's one of the things that I found most attractive with Boardroom resumes. It's not a service you just send a resume into and they make it pretty. It's really a one-on-one give and take, and it's bi-directional, and you have a chance to really build out your resume and to actually find out what your goals really are going to be long-term.